Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Skool for affiliate marketing. Whether you're new or experienced, you can use Skool to promote products, share value, and earn commissions online. First, sign up on Skool and create a community. This will be the hub where your audience joins, interacts, and accesses your content. Next, pick a niche for your affiliate marketing. Focus on a specific topic like tech gadgets, online tools, or personal finance. A clear niche helps attract the right audience. Now, create content that provides value. Share tips, tutorials, or reviews related to your niche. This builds trust and makes people more likely to click your affiliate links. Next, add your affiliate links to your content. You can embed them in lessons, posts, or guides. Make sure it's helpful and not spammy. Your audience will appreciate it. Finally, promote your Skool community. Share it on social media, YouTube, or email. The more people join and engage, the higher your chances of earning commissions. And that's it. Using Skool for affiliate marketing is really that simple. Create valuable content, share your links naturally, and grow your earnings online.